Hey, welcome back to my Dusty Builder channel. In this video, we're going to install a brand new powered anode rod in this water heater. In a previous video, we installed a powered anode rod in the water heater of my very own house because we were dealing with stinky water, egg-smelling water. This scenario is a little different. Today, we're working at a house that I built in 2019 for my mom, and we're trying to extend the life of this water tank. I own some rental properties, and typically we're only getting 8 to 10 years out of a water tank, and that's a costly endeavor. With a new anode rod and flushing the water tank to get rid of these solids, hopefully this tank will last many years. It's telling me exactly where my anode rod is. But before we get to that, we are going to turn the gas off. I'm going to turn the unit off. Boop. And I'm going to shut the water off. Okay, so the water's off. To help the tank drain a little bit faster, you turn the hot water on upstairs. It allows air to escape. Let it rip. I'm draining the hot water tank into this black bucket so you can see how nice and clear the water is. Now, this was not the case just a few months ago. Now, you can see here, this is the first time I drained the tank in years, frankly, and you can see all the solids that built up in it. With frequent flushing of the water tank and the powered anode rod, hopefully it lasts a long time. But we got a bunch of foam here. They never make this easy. If you never did one before, I can understand like the hesitation, like you gotta dig through all this foam to get at this thing. Like, that's so stupid. Okay, we kind of dug it out ish. Okay, so we got our 1 1/16 socket, and this is really what makes it almost two coffee type of job, is that these are super hard to get off. I've tried using like a breaker bar to get these off, and it's just so hard. The whole unit wants to move. So I have this gigantic driver that's battery powered. Now, do you need these? You don't, but it sure does make life a lot easier. So borrow one, steal one if you have to. It's worth it, but it just makes the job a whole lot easier. So we're going to put this guy in here, sure, seat it on, and take it off. Oh, yeah. We can see that the anode rod is showing some signs of wear and tear. The new powered anode rod will protect the tank with a small electrical current and will also help cut down on some of the sediment buildup. So we'll open this guy up. Again, I am not sponsored by this company. I have used this product in the past and like it. If you do want to buy it, though, I do have an affiliate link. You can buy it. There's a link in the description. You're more than welcome to buy it. And that's it. Just that little guy right there. And then we have a little power unit. It's you. There you are. So this guy connects into here. And then this is the ground. Spread that apart. Then this is the ground. So let's go install it. We do have to put some thread sealant on there, though. Take a look down there. I'd like to quickly say thank you to Workhose. They sent me this cool little flashlight. It's magnetic, and these little arms raise up, and it turns into a lamp. I found it to be super handy, and you might as well. If you want to check it out, I have a link in the description. So we're going to put our sealant tape the same way that we thread it. I like to wrap it 3 times minimum, and then I think I might have some goop too. So we'll put some goop on there for good measure. So we'll put a little thread sealant on there as well, just to make sure that it's for sure good to go. Tape and sealant, it's always done me well. And we want to make sure that we don't get any of these boogers into the tank. We're just going to drop that in there and get it going. Okay, 1 3/16. Yes, it is you. So I don't know why they don't make it the same size, but they don't. But this is 1 3/16. Why they do this, I have no idea. So we got this on here. And now I just have to, I'll just take off one of these screws to ground it. So I'm going to put this back in here the best I can. The power unit connects to this little tab, and the ground wire is attached to a screw on the side of the tank. Okay, so we're done draining. Are you off? Unscrew you. Put the water back on. Gas back on. Turn you back on. So green is on. That's good. That means she's working. Let's see if we got any leaks down there. Doesn't look like we do. Looks like we're dry as a bone. So that's it. That's all there is to it. It's really not that bad. Green light means we're good. And really the hardest part of all this is taking out the old anode rod. And like I said, as long as you steal an impact wrench, you should be good to go. And the other confusing thing is the different size socket for the electric anode rod. Again, 1 3/16. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments section, and make sure you like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.